Good morning, girls and boys. Today I decided that we should focus on ELA and do a lesson on stretch a sentence. I know a lot of times you have to write in your reading response about what's your favorite part, what's your opinion about the text, and a lot of you have difficulty writing a sentence. Either the sentence is very short and there are not enough details that the reader should know when you're writing. So today we're going to practice how to stretch a sentence. All right, so on this side, if you look at this poster, it says who, doing what, when, where, and why. And then we have pictures here that show us, right? So in the first picture, we see that there's a cloud. So who are we talking about? It's a cloud. Okay, doing what? Now this cloud is gray, right? I could also say a gray cloud, right? But let's stick to that and then let's look what happens to that gray cloud. You know what happens to these gray clouds? They are rain clouds, right? Or we could also say a rain cloud, right? Let's look at the second picture. It says doing what? A cloud makes raindrops, right? Cloud makes raindrops. So now I added some more details that tells me what the cloud does. What is the cloud doing? When, right? What time? What time is this happening? Look at the drawing, look at the picture. There's a sun out there. Kind of feels like it's the morning time, right? So let's see. This morning, a cloud made raindrops. Very nice. The next question we're going to look at is where, right? And if you look at the picture, you see a house. This morning, a cloud made raindrops at my house. Okay, and then why, right? That's a very important question. A lot of you students write your favorite part, but you do not tell why. So in order for the reader to know more details, you have to answer the very important question, why? This morning, a cloud made raindrops at my house because there was a thunderstorm. Okay, and you see all that, the sign for the thunder, the bolt sign that's coming down, right? This morning, a cloud made raindrops at my house because there was a thunderstorm. And this sentence has a lot of details. It tells me when, what, did what, where at my house, and why. It answers all these questions. So girls and boys, when you're writing, think about these questions. It will help you stretch a sentence. Now we're going to look at this stretching a sentence sheet, and we're going to try to stretch our sentence. Again, I have these pictures, so when you're writing, I want you to start visualizing, make an image in your head about what you're writing. So right now, I want to write about my dog. So I'm going to say my dog. Now, what details I can write about my dog? Okay, my dog is cute, so I'm going to say my cute dog. And what is my dog's name? My cute dog, Tommy, right? That's my sentence. Does that tell me a lot? My cute dog, Tommy. It just tells me I have a dog, the dog is cute, and the dog's name is Tommy. But I want to write more about Tommy, right? So I'm going to think, what does Tommy like doing? What does he like doing, right? So I'm going to say my cute dog, dog Tommy likes to run. And see, I have a picture of Tommy in my head running, right? Now, is that enough? Is that all? It makes a lot of sense, right? My cute dog Tommy likes to run. It's a good sentence. How can I stretch this even more? I'm going to think about where does Tommy like to run? And I make a picture of it in my head and I think about the dog park, right? So I'm going to say my cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park. Okay? Then I'm going to think to myself, okay, let me read my sentence. My cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park. I wrote where he likes to run. Now I can also add what time of the day he likes to run, right? I take him for a run in the morning. So I'm going to say, my cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park every morning. Very nice. So you see how we had this one simple sentence and we kept stretching it by asking these questions and by making images or answering those questions in our head. So now for the last question, it says why? Why does Tommy like to run every morning? Okay, so I'm going to say my cute, let me just change this font so it matches everything. Okay. My cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park every morning because, let me look at that picture. It looks like Tommy is happy because it makes him happy, right? Did you see, my friends, from this one tiny little sentence, we kept asking questions and we kept stretching the sentence. My cute dog Tommy likes to run. My cute dog Tommy likes to run where? He likes to run at the park. My cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park when? Every morning. And then I'm going to think about why does he like to run every morning? My cute dog Tommy likes to run at the park every morning because it makes him happy. Do you see, my friends, how we stretched a simple sentence? So make sure you're asking yourself these 5 questions when you're writing your sentences.